we have another round of contestants battling it out in round 2 of the Dubplate Wars music competition. The competition has been heating up with some amazing talent from all over the world. The 3 winners of this round will secure their place in the final round and get one step closer to becoming the Dawn of Dawns. The music competition has been fierce so far with some outstanding performances from the first round. The contestants have been working hard to perfect their music and take their performance to the next level. The Dubplate Wars competition has become a must-see event for music lovers from all over the world. With the competition being broadcasted live on YouTube, fans can enjoy the performances from the comfort of their homes. So, make sure you tune in at 8 p.m. GMT to witness some of the best up-and-coming talent battle it out in the second round of the Dubplate Wars music competition. Who will come out on top and secure their place in the final? You'll have to tune in to find out.